Hey people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time and the country you're watching me from. It's Akaliche. Please go to YouTube, search it's Akaliche Vlogs, you'll find me there. Like, share, subscribe, watch my videos, and I'll be so grateful. For those who have already subscribed, thank you so much. If you are new, it's Akaliche Vlogs. Please subscribe. So my people, today we are going to make this. There's a word that have been trending in Kenya called Misheveve. This is what we call Misheveve, especially in Western. That's how they call it. So today I decided to look for it. My friend has it in her garden, so I went for some to show you what is Misheveve. So because people have been asking what is Misheveve, according to a certain video that went viral, and people are asking what is Misheveve. So this is what we call Misheveve. So I'm going to show you how to prepare it, because it is vegetable. It is vegetable. You take it with ugali. This is normally that leaves that are found on pumpkins. For those who harvest pumpkins or those who plant pumpkins, this is the leaves, and you can use them as vegetables, Kenyan vegetables. So my people, I'm going to show you how to make it. As you can see there, you make it and then you cut it the way you cut your skuma, because the stems has some ropes, so you have to be careful as you remove it, and then you cut it the way you cut your skuma. So you can see here I'm almost done with my Misheveve. This is how they make it, or this is how they prepare it before cooking. This is how you have to prepare it. And for those who are wondering where to find it, if you live in town, you can get this in our normal market. You can get it. You see how to remove these. They look like threads. Those have to throw them away. They look like threads. So here is our Misheveve. We are going to wash it, and then I'll show you how to prepare it. So here is my sink. Here's my clean sink. I'm going to pour it inside, my Misheveve inside, and then put my water on, or open water on a running tap, and then I wash it cleanly. You have to wash it cleanly to remove all the dirt, the dust, because they're direct from the shamba, so you have to wash them very cleanly. But for this, they were not so dirty, but I have to wash them. So you put on a running tap. You can fetch water on a basin, and then you wash it. Kitchen basin, then you wash your Seveve. So here I'll let my tap keep running for me to have enough water to wash them. And good thing is that they were not so dirty. So I'll only wash once, because they were not much dirty. So I'll wash them and then I put it to boil. About boiling, you have to use baking. I'm going to use baking powder, but if you have the carbonate soda also it can work. Or also we have what we call msheveve. It's normally made of ash. Western people know it. It's normally made out of ash. So mine I'm going to wash and make sure it's clean, and then I put it to boil. And then after boiling, I'm going to fry it. Yeah. So let us do this, my people. I think you're following, and now you know what is Misheveve, because the word have been trending, people asking what is Misheveve. Misheveve is that leaves that were found, that you can find on pumpkin, or the pumpkin leaves. They are pumpkin leaves. That's what we call Misheveve. And some people use it to put in mokimo. You can use it to put in your mokimo. It does an amazing job. But for this, you're going to take it with ugali. So let's wash, and then you put it to boil.
my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway, nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained.